Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're taking a look at Khan Academy from a parent point of view. So what you'll need to do, first of all, is you can select Parent Start here. You can certainly select it that way and log in and sign up. I'm just going to select over here because I've already done this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Google. Now, since there are quite a number of Google accounts on there, I'm going to use the one that I've used for my students, or for my children. Sorry about that. And what you'll need to do is it'll ask you to choose an avatar. So you can just select whatever it is you would like. Now, in order to add a child, you need to come over to your name here and just select Add Children. From that point, and it'll say get the tips and so on and so forth, up to you. You can see I've made up a couple, as well as I have my two children over here. I'm going to add a child here, and we're going to say that they're born January 1st, 2009, just for simplicity's sake. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to say my child's name is Steve Carlton, 32. His password is baseball 32. And Steve Carlton, by the way. And it's up to you. If you want to allow your child to add other coaches, it's just the ability to add coaches from school or other ones as well. They have tutors, so on and so forth. Totally up to you. Select Next. Okay, so this is when you're going to need to log out and have your child log in. If your child does have a Google account through school, that is something that if they are using Khan Academy at school and they use your Google account, it is COPPA compliant, and just wanted to put that out there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to sign in as Steve Carlton. Steve Carlton 32 and baseball 32. All right, so he's now logged in. Okay, so you do have to choose your avatar. Okay, we'll just select that one. That's fine. Now, you would have to look through the terms of service and privacy policy for just simplicity's sake and for time. I'm going to check that. Now, here's where your child would choose what they're going to study. So in this case, you can see all the possibilities that are here. The one I have been studying myself just for fun is the computing one, dealing with programming and code. So definitely fun to check out. But you can see all the possibilities that are here. This is such a great site. I'm going to choose second grade for Steve Carlton. And what you'll see that there are 49 practice exercises that are available. What I do recommend you doing is just select Start Mission. And the mission is going to basically give Khan Academy kind of the idea of, where your child is at the present moment. And usually it's about 5 questions. So I'll just walk you through that real quickly. So you can see the question comes up. I'm sorry, this time it's 6 questions. How many total math tricks they perform on Thursday and Friday? So they have to add those two together. If they like a scratch pad, they can certainly do that. And, say 21 plus 54. Whoops, that's awful handwriting, but you get the idea. So we're going to 75 and check the answer. Okay, great. Now I want to hide the scratch pad. Go on to the next question. This one comes up. We'll just answer since it is pretty simple. All right, 73. No, same here. Let's just do 12. Now, the next one. Okay, let's just say they've had 3 in a row correct. If you select I haven't learned this yet, it'll skip the question, but it'll put a little gray box up there. If they'd like a hint, it'll also put a gray box up in there, but they can still continue on with the work. The other one, so what I'm going to do here is I'll go ahead and do that for. Actually, I apologize, not an X, but a little like light bulb. It will give them this little bit right here, which is great for the kids to see. The other possibility is to watch a video. Now, if you choose the video and don't choose a hint, it will not come up with a light bulb there. So I'm just going to click on this here so you can see how it's embedded right in here. And
in a basketball game.
Okay, we're not going to watch this whole thing, but it takes them through. They can exit out and answer the question. My daughters use this a number of times. How many? So we're going to say 99 minus 32. Let's just say we put that in there. There we go, 67. Now I'll show you what it looks like. If we finish this up, you can see that one's correct. And if you say, hey, haven't learned this yet for this one, okay. So you can see the X right there that comes up. So there's your mastery challenge. Walks you through that. And sometimes takes a couple seconds here. You'll see that they've leveled up in 4 skills. They've earned these energy points, which is added up to help customize their avatar and shows a progress made, and so on and so forth. They continue on to their next task should they like to. Okay, in this case, it would just be working on these here. I'm not going to continue on that for right now. You can see that the progress, it even shows you that they're 4% done for 2nd grade. And it doesn't mean that's all they can do. They can always come up here and work on the other ones as well. All right. Also, you can see when they sign in, you can see the number 2 notifications, and it's just showing them over here these 2 little things that come up, which is kind of nice to see. It is a nice little motivator. And the points always come up right here. So see what I'm going to do here, though. I'm going to log out, and I'm going to log in as you, the parent. This is what it looks like from a parent point of view. So I'll sign in with my Gmail account right here, and you'll see all of my children that come up, my real children and the ones that are not real, that are just kind of made up. So sometimes if I select, sometimes just comes up. What I'm going to do, for some reason it ever comes up and you don't see your child right away, you just see something with classes, just go ahead, log out, log back in, and should have come up there. I thought it was going to. What I'm going to do here, let's see. Apologize about this. Every once in a while, your children, let's see something. If I go into add children. Okay, there we go. If we go into add children, sometimes it doesn't come up. But you can see my daughter was been on 12 total minutes the past week. My son's been on 33. She's in 2nd grade. He is in preschool. And then you can see my made-up students here. Now, what you can do then is what we just did with Steve Carlton. We can just do view summary, and it can show you what they worked on. And the full progress report is available just clicking on here. Great site to check out. Great site to use. If you have questions, please let me know. This is definitely it's a great site to check out. And if you do have any questions, by all means, please let me know. This is, again, it's an awesome site. You can see lots of information. And then over here, you can see if it's the last day, 7 days, and 30 days. Again, enjoy. If you have questions, let me know. Of course, you do not have to, you don't have to be logged in with this. You can just go in with that. Your child could go in and just learn whatever it is they'd like to learn. If they want to go into 8th grade, they can just click on 8th grade and learn some 8th grade math without having to sign up. So nice feature to have. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.